pork tenderloin wrapped in bacon. We have a little bit of fat on this end, so we want to make sure we put it on the fat end. And then we want to stick it right about there. Add a whole package. And we have 3 leftovers. And that's about more than 1.5 pounds bacon. I haven't made this in 10 years. Because we got leftovers, we want to put them at the edges, because that's where it's going to get hot. Push them down. Wait for it. So you want to bring it to the next level. I would recommend peanut butter, tahini, wasabi powder. I got black sesame seed flour, coconut flour. We're just gonna leave it like this. And it goes, and pressure cook it, and wow, delicious, right? Try to give you something special. To me, that's special.